you have big hair like I've got big hair too, I do my hair by myself anyway. Um, and you thinking, oh, I'm gonna pack it and put it up, and you want to put your hair in a bun, you can try making some bun makers for yourself. You can make the extra large size, just a medium size, and small size as well. So it's very easy to make. Let's use this one so you can see me as I use it. You need scissors, crochet hook, sewing needle, and of course any scrap yarn. Welcome. Make a slip knot and pass your hook through. For this pattern, you need a multiple of 3 plus 2. Make a chain of 30 chain stitches plus 2, making 32. Six, and carry on. Once you have your chain stitches, we'll be working into the back hump. Into the second chain stitch, pass your hook through, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. You've made a double crochet. Go right into the same space and make 2 more double crochets. You will have a total of 3 double crochets. Skip 2 chain stitches into the next. You make 3 double crochets. This is how it will be looking so far. Carry on down the length, skipping 2 chain spaces. Into the next, you make 3 double crochets. Into the very last chain space, you make 1 double crochet. This completes your first row. Turn, make chain 1 and turn, yarn over into the first double crochet, make 1 double crochet. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, you have 2 loops on the hook, go into the gap and make 2 double crochets. You have 3 double crochets, yarn over, into the gaps of each you're going to be making 3 double crochets. Carry on down the length till you're nearly at the end of this row. This pattern is very easy, and if you're a crochet beginner, you can make this in no time at all. To complete your second row, when you get to the top of the very last double crochet right there like so, pass your hook through and make 1 double crochet. Chain 1 to turn. You have made 2 rows. For row 3, repeat the same. Go into the top of your first double crochet, make a double crochet, yarn over and into the gap, you make 2 double crochets, and you have a total of 3 double crochets. You carry on walking into the gaps. When you get to the very last double crochet, you make 1 double crochet. This is what you need to do to grow the length of your pattern. Make 1 double crochet, chain 1 after. You've made 3 rows. Well done. Now carry on and grow as long as you want it to be. After 12 rows, you can stop and form your donut bun. If you want your donut bun to be a small size, roll it up to check that you're happy with the donut. That is pretty good. To join your donut, you can do it on the length or at the width, depending on how wide or how long you want to be. You can use a crochet hook or a sewing needle. If you want a full details tutorial, you'll find tutorials here on Ask the Raw Crochet. Check the description box, it's always full of information for you. Sew your bun together like so till you have an opening at either end. Now we just have to roll and roll and roll to form the donut. It's like rolling a pop socks or something like that. Well done, we're nearly there. So we have the green color here, so you can see as we sew the last part. But obviously you're going to use the same color, but it doesn't matter whatever color that you use, because you're going to be wrapping it. Your hair is going to cover it, so nobody will notice. Well, that's clear enough. Okay, so this is how we're going to suture the final part of the donut. Okay, snip. We're done. Just arrange and your sutures will be inside. And that is it. Well done. You can make any size, super large size, medium or small size. This is the donut. Almost good to eat. Hi, excuse me. Just a minute, hang on. There's a button right there. Press it to subscribe to Hans the Real Crochet. Thank you so much, really appreciate you. Thank you to all the returning subscribers. Thank you for all the families, and we hope to see you here next time on Hans the Real Crochet. Till then, take care. Bye bye.